How to use Samsung One UI 7 Quick Panel Customization. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samsung's One UI 7 customization lets you customize the quick panel for faster access to features you use most. Here's a simple guide on how to set it up on your Galaxy device. First, open Quick Panel, swipe down from the top corner of the screen, and swipe down twice to fully extend your quick panel. You'll see tiles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and flashlight. You need to enter the edit mode next. Tap on the edit icon right beside the power menu. Once you tap on this pencil, you can easily change the stuff over here. Long press on it to reorder them, and you can also adjust the size of it. You can swipe down from this panel to show more options on your quick panel, and you can further tap on edit to edit their uh, order. So tap on edit here. You can add all these available buttons from here and move them to your quick panel, just like so, and you should be good to go. Once you're done, tap on done at the top right. You can adjust their positions as well. And if you go over to panel settings at the top left, you can easily change whether you want to have your notification panel and your control panel separate or together. You can also edit the top quick settings as well, and it should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. This is how you can rearrange and customize your quick panel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.